To be a better version of yourself, welcome to Tips from Coach Angela. I see and experience it quite often. Someone says something or does something that makes us feel angry, defensive, and aggressive, and we respond from that place. And oftentimes we look back later and say, I wish I hadn't said that, I wish I hadn't done that, or realize that, in fact, we just put a log on the fire and made it even worse. Instead, we have an opportunity in that moment to actually to just recognize, first of all, what might trigger us, what our buttons might be. There's another word for it. To learn what we feel like just before we react, or maybe be able to sense it and become aware of when we're about to respond from that place of aggression in response to someone else's trigger. And so when we see that happening, recognize the trigger or feel the feeling that we know leads to this behavior that we might later regret, instead what we can learn to do over time is to just stop when we feel that urge coming on. Take a deep breath, perhaps, that buys us the moment that we need, and it may just be a moment, to be able to step back and see the situation for what it is. Decide what might be the best response to realize the best outcome possible. And the best outcome might be building a relationship. It might be come from a place of curiosity and learning. It might be from a place of caring, or it might be just deciding it's not worth it, or we're not in a place where we can have a productive discussion at this point, and it's not even worth responding. So next time you're feeling that urge to respond from a place of aggression, just stop, take a breath, and then respond in a way that you will have no regrets and look back. Instead of saying, I wish I hadn't done that, to say, thank goodness I didn't do that. Good luck.